Welcome to this NMP flight video tutorial. This tutorial will look at the IATA flight identifier column and search functions. The IATA flight identifier has been added as an optional column that you can add using the dialog, searching for the IATA flight identifier in the list and adding that column to your flight list. As usual, the column appears on the right hand side of the screen, and I'm going to move it next to the aircraft ID column. When I open the query form, there is an option to select the IATA ID to search for a flight. When I hit the query, the results are shown with my Speedbird 51 Lima aircraft ID displayed with the IATA ID filled in the column. If you hover your mouse over the IATA ID, the source of the IATA ID is shown in a tooltip. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.